Hello everyone, my name is Samuel William. Welcome to Any Dollars, where I show people how you can make money online. And if this is your first time joining and watching my video, I hope you can subscribe and click the bell icon and turn it on so that when next I post another video, you are going to get notified and YouTube is going to send you a notification that Any Dollars has post another new video, and every day I usually post and update video how you can make passive income, how you can make money online without investment, without nothing, and how you can the websites, any websites there's there's out, and there's always teaching on this YouTube channel how you can make money on different way online through freelancing, through affiliate marketing, and the platform that's where your payments will be paid, that's where they will be paying you to. So in this YouTube channel, just stay with me as I'm going to show you the step by step by which you can make money on PalmPay. You may be thinking that, oh, just stay with me and watch this video to the end if you want to know the how you can make money or get money on PalmPay. I'm going to show you. Do you have an account with them? If you don't, why don't you use my link, my referral link, to sign up now and earn 1,000. They are going to give you more than 1,000 naira if you use my referral link that I'm going to post in the description of this video and use it to sign up. Pumpy is going to give you more than 1,000 when you first make a transfer of maybe like 2,000 and above to your account. They are going to credit me and they are going to credit you for sign up with them if you use my referral link. But if you don't use my referral link or any referral link, they are not going to give you nothing. Let's get straight to it. And this our PalmPay. If you have an account with them, I greet you, congratulations. So the first step for you is to go to your PalmPay account here. You can see here. So this is our PalmPay account. So in this giveaway, you can see this giveaway. This giveaway you can see loan invest giveaway me. This is all what you can do. This loan where you can borrow money. This not where we are going to. This is an investment. If you want to save your money, you can see different way to save your money, and this is me all about your account. You can see. So this is all about your account. So okay, invitation. You can see now we are going to, this is my referral link. I'm going to invite one new user equals 600. You can see friend make their first transaction, share your referral link or code or link. You can see I'm going to share this link and they are going to credit you once you make a transaction to your account. You can see you can even find friend. This is not where I'm showing you. So let's go straight to where we are. So in this place, how you can make money on PalmPay is by this. If you follow this method that I'm going to show you in this video. So for you to make money on PalmPay, you have to invite new user. You can see share 30 million. You can see data. You have to invite. Just sign in with my referral link and let's get through the real matters. Social media. Here is how you can make massive income online, massive like giveaways, and this you can make legit money here. You can see if like every day, like a midnight, maybe from 5, they usually post a new update here every day. And if you join everything they say, I think it's only on Twitter. Twitter is the highest percentage here. And if you sign in through this, can see Twitter, this X is Twitter. There's many here. And if you join all these things, I bet with you your account will be credited more than 50,000 per day if you use this very well and you know how you can use it. your account is going to be credited every day. You can see that midnight giveaway retreat if you are active. You can see if you join, they are going to, you can see just follow my sponsor at Gravity Empire 28. If you follow these people and drop proof and be ready, you are not going to, not going to make deposits to them. It's just that just follow what is written here. You can see add your account number to your request here. I no get strength. Please see my last four trades and drop your answer. Retreat. That is, please retrieve my last four trades and drop your answer and drop your account number. That is what they mean, bro. 6.2 million came home for dinner. You can see this how you can make money. You can make legit money through this thing. You can make more than 100,000 per day. If you know how to, they usually drop new updates every day. I discovered this yesterday, and that's why I told myself that I'm going to drop a video tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm going to drop a new video tomorrow morning. So this how you can make money on PalmPay by just joining. You can see there's a much, or you can see just take your time. There's no deposits to them, like maybe you are going to make a deposit for you to qualify. No deposits now. Just just join all of this and see as many as you can. As many as you can. Join all these things. You can see a Google of Africa. If you have never won before on this page with faith, drop your back these things if you are following. You can see. Okay, let me do this as a sample. Okay, paste and join. You can see this how it will be when you are doing your own. I'm going to retreat this so that I can qualify. Retreat, repost. Then I'm going to drop my okay. I'm going to follow first. That is what you must make sure of. Must can see following. Then you are going to just paste your back details here. Can see, then reply, and that is that. And this all what you are just going to be doing, like just following the instruction that's written on that page, and you are just going to apply it here, and that is simple. And you are just going to get back and click on another one. You can see joined. So I have joined one. That is how you are going to be doing this. Okay, open your eyes, peeps. 10 million, boom. 5 million for first 1,000 member. Whiskey and Davido, join and drop answer here if you miss. If she okay, this all the link that if you miss this, can see this all what you can do here, and they are going to pay you. I show you they are going to pay you as much as you join all these things. If you join them, don't just go and be watching all the YouTube video. Not YouTube videos are real. And if you know that this video that I'm making now that is great to you, that has a great impact to you, and I hope you can subscribe for more good updates like this. Can see there's it's hardly that you see this type of video on YouTube. It's hardly because people are not even in the way of teaching making real money online. Is how they want to get subscribers and views. That is why all of them are making like a fake bot. It's like a real bot. It's a fake videos to you. Okay, this is how you can see cancel this thing. I'm going to drop a link of my PalmPay referral link to this description of this video. Just go and copy that link and paste it so when you want to sign up for your PalmPay account. So this can see that you can earn a pass. Some people can even give you more than 50,000, 30,000 a year if you believe. Can see this not even consuming a lot of your data. You can see if you even have 1 gig and you even do it, can follow these people per day. Can see this all what you can do all this legit. This is legit. I bet it with you. You will earn a lot of money, a lot of giveaways, and by this and by all what I taught you now, if you apply it now, you are going to earn. I assure you that you can see Jamie today won 1,000. Can see okay 1,000 today won 1,000. and say this the people that they are winning from this. Can see some today won 1,000. If you family won 1,000 win big, claim now. Can see we click this thing, can still win a lot of things here. Can see invite and earn. Can see I'm going to copy this 5 friends to gain 10,000. Can see I'm going to copy this now. You can see a lot of people are winning from this. Can see just sign up through my link, and I'm going to drop this video tomorrow morning, and make sure that you follow me, you subscribe to my YouTube channel earning dollars. I'm going to post a new video. I'm posting a new video every day, so just subscribe and you are going to be getting a notification that whenever I post a new video every day. So you can see, so this all way you can earn. Another update, can see I'm going to post my referral link so that you can even have a great night. I'm going to see, my name is Samuel William again. I'm going to earn a dollar if you are watching my video for the first time, and I hope you can subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification. See you in my others video. Peace.